Flavors meet precision in this recipe. Let's make a balle balle grilled chicken in Philips OneChef. Today we'll use the air frying rack. Press the power button, then Airfry Mode, followed by Chicken Preset. Set it to preheat for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, combine oil, finely chopped garlic cloves, lemon juice, crushed black pepper, chili flakes, salt to taste, fresh coriander, Worcestershire sauce, sugar, and mix well. Add the chicken legs and coat well with the marination. Let rest for a bit. यहाँ flavors का absorb होना है very important. Now place the marinated chicken on the air frying rack, press the start button and cook for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Don't forget to flip the chicken legs in between and brush a little oil or butter over it. Once the chicken legs are tender, transfer to a serving dish, garnish with lemon wedge, a sprig of dhania and serve with roasted veggies and salad. हो गया ना बल्ले बल्ले weekend. Thanks to Philips OneChef. It's all you need.